Hey, dragonflies, fireflies, welcome to Tuesday. And what do we do on Tuesday? The sight word. So if you remember from yesterday, our sight word is look. Look. 2 O's. Will you help me look for my toy? I like to look at the stars. The stars have been great lately, actually. You might ask Mom or Dad to let you go outside tonight when it gets dark and take a really good look. The sky's been pretty clear and you could see a lot of neat stuff up there. Anyway, today, how about what sounds like look? Let's rhyme a few words. Look, book, look, took, look, shook, look, nook, and look, rook. Now, what if we try to put all of these words together? I took a book from the nook. When I shook it, out fell a rook. A rook is a little game piece that goes to chess. You know, like when you play Candyland and you have a little piece that's yours to move? Well, that's part of a game called chess. A nook is a little place. I'm going to get up and move. I want you to follow me. I have a new nook in the library. It is the fairy nook. There's a door, there's a table, a chair, and even a bird bath for our fairy. And hopefully, very soon, our fairy will come. So, today, we're going to read chapter 2 of Charlotte's Web. Let's remember from yesterday what happened. There was a litter of pigs born, and one of them was very small and wouldn't have been much use on the farm, and they thought he might die anyway because he was called a runt. But Fern would not let her father get rid of him, so Fern got the pig to take care of herself. She named him Wilbur. So this is chapter 2, and it is called Wilbur. And here we have a illustration of Fern playing with Wilbur, and we'll find out all about that. Fern loved Wilbur more than anything. She loved to stroke him, to feed him, to put him to bed. Every morning, as soon as she got up, she warmed his milk, she tied his bib on, and held the bottle for him. Every afternoon when the school bus stopped in front of her house, she jumped out and ran to the kitchen to fix another bottle for him. She fed him again at supper time and again just before going to bed. Mrs. Arable gave him a feeding around noontime each day when Fern was away at school. Wilbur loved his milk, and he was never happier than when Fern was warming a bottle for him. He would stand and gaze at her with adoring eyes. For the first few days of his life, Wilbur was allowed to live in a box near the stove in the kitchen. Then Mrs. Arable complained. He was moved to a bigger box in the woodshed at age 2 weeks of age. And he was Miss Dean messed up. At 2 weeks of age, he was moved outdoors. It was apple blossom time and the days were getting warmer, and Mr. Arable fixed a small yard especially for Wilbur under the apple tree, and he gave him a large wooden box full of straw with a doorway cut in it so he